you seem tall.
No comment.
What does Monkey got to say for himself?
No comment.
Have you cleaned these stairs?
I have. I have cleaned the stairs, Paul.
Are you sure?
Yes, I have.
I just think you spent so much time with that monkey.
Tell me what happened between you and Paul.
Nothing. Everything was fine.
How do you feel about Paul?
He's a great guy. It's such a shame, really.
Hey Mike, can you keep it down a bit, the music?
What do you mean?
I think Paul's having a hard day today.
I don't know what his problem is.
I think the wrong one's getting to him.
Just me, need a cup of tea, I'm sure I'll be fine.
Yeah, probably.
Right, let's go.
Let's go.
Come on, guys. Made you a cup of tea, Paul, alright?
Oh, it's very kind of you, mate.
No worries, I'll
Cheers, thank you.
see you tomorrow, alright?
Yeah,
Cheers.
cheers, man. Take care.